Evening of 8/7/21 EVP recording. We played back at 88,200 hertz, 64 bits, still towards the beginning. I had just called out and said to any soul, come talk to me. I'll play that in a moment, including my family. I'm hearing Joe Passon I see you watching your bird. Referring to that. Increase frequency of a recording. You slow down all natural sound. This is my voice. You compensate for the difference of frequency by increasing the speed of the normal sound.
I can talk to you, all souls that can hear me, family. I can talk to all souls that can hear me.